Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the AirPod and creating grip. Hold the stem between your thumb and middle finger so you control rotation. Cup the silicone tip with your index finger and thumb. Once done, pull straight away from the housing with a steady, small twisting motion to break the seal. You do this because the ear tip uses a friction fit. Steady pressure prevents tearing. If the tip resists, pause and change angle slightly rather than yanking hard. You continue by applying a controlled twist and pull motion while maintaining the stem grip. This disengages the internal lip holding the tip. Once the silicone releases, lift it off straight to avoid stretching the connector. Make sure to inspect the metal mesh and the plastic retaining ring for debris or earwax, since contamination can affect sound. If you see buildup, gently clean with a dry, soft brush or a cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. You finish by aligning the ear tip's plastic connector with the AirPod's nozzle and pressing until you feel or hear a click. That ensures the seal and correct audio performance. Once attached, check fit and sound with short audio. Make sure noise isolation matches expectations. If the tip is torn or loose, replace it. If a tip stubbornly will not come off, stop and contact Apple support or carefully use a thin nylon pry tool. Forcing it risks damage, so proceed with caution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.